today we got the plumbing redone, and then we replaced the floor joists with some treated lumber instead of spruce or pine. That was a job. And there's still some more we've got to do here, but not today. And then we started putting in some of our windows. We've got that window put in, and then we put in that window over there. We still got to do some framing it up. And then when it's not raining, silicone. And I don't know if you just see through the windows, but there's some chickens out there clucking away. We got 2 more days, Monday and Tuesday, to do some minor stuff, and then the electricity will be complete. Since we videoed last. Still not done with the electricity. I ran out of wire the other day, but this weekend we're gonna finish it. I had to take down this cabinet so that we can run the wire up through here, right here, up through the wall. You can see some of it coming out right there, and some other stuff. And then there's some wires we got going. Put up the recessed lighting today. Still got 2 more to put up. Somehow I was 1 short, so I gotta figure out where that went wrong. Couple more windows in since the last time. Got 2-3 more windows to put in. And it's hot. So hot. And
there's thunder.
There's thunder. So we're about to leave because when it rains here, as you can tell by the ruts in the ground, it floods. But since I'm outside, whenever we are done, shutters will be black. House is going to be painted white. Samantha ordered some outdoor lighting for that and the side today. And then we're gonna extend the walkway here a little bit further out on each side, and then come out to about where my finger's at right there. That'll be the last rung on the step, and then a gable.
Yeah, also any gutters.
And yeah, and once we do that, the gutters will be put up. But the new windows look fantastic compared to the old ones. Okay, everybody, today is the day that we stain our front doors, our exterior doors. Got 2, and change from that. So we're going from this to a natural stained wood door. And Samantha got her gloves on and her stain down there. She's gonna stain it while I rip out that door there. Today was a pretty successful long day. I got this door stained and waterproofed and put up. That's the side door. So you notice we're waiting on a deadbolt to come in. So I'm starting a new trend with the knob on the top too. Pretty interesting. Also put in the vent hood. There's the front door. We did it, most of it yesterday, which we actually do have. This is the deadbolt that's going to be on the side door because we are ordering a keyless touchpad to go here. But I went ahead and put this one on here until we get it in, and I'll just swap this one for that one. And then I'll be less cool because I won't have 2 doorknobs. And then other than that, oh yeah, I put the flooring down the other day. I put up, which you can barely see it, it's that box right there. That's the vent hood, and it's probably the quietest not vent hood, exhaust fan. Probably the quietest exhaust fan I have ever seen. Very nice. So I just got to run some duct work from right there. You can see the valves open, and then have it come out right there. And that'll be it. A little bit of insulation to put in. Frame this up tomorrow. Get rid of all that rotted wood. Put the new window in. Insulation in there, and then we will have the sheetrockers come. Sheetrock, bathroom flooring with the tiled shower, and probably put down the hardwood that I've got picked out for here. I was going to do it, but this is turning into a hassle between work and stuff. But I will show you the front door from the outside. It's very pretty, and whenever we paint the house, it is going to look spectacular. It's going to be white and then black fixturing. Get rid of that street sign up there and replace it with something more modern. That's where we're at.